Plantain lovers, let's gather here. Today I'll be turning your favorite golden plantain into a sizzling mouth-watering stir-fry that is packed with lots of flavors and nutrients. If you love a quick and delicious meal, then you don't want to miss this. So without waste of time, let's dive into it. So I have 2 ripe plantain. I'll go ahead and take off the back. For this recipe, I'll be cutting mine into small bite size. So to achieve that, I'll be dividing the plantain into 4 before cutting it into small bite size as I said. This size is actually very unique for this recipe. So I'll be repeating the same process for the remaining plantain. I'll also be using 1 egg for this recipe. It's actually a very good source of complete protein, but you can choose to use any other protein of your choice. So to my pan, I'll be heating up little vegetable oil on low heat, then transfer the beaten eggs and allow it to set. So our eggs are set now. I'll just go ahead and scramble it up. This actually don't take too long, just an interval of 1 to 2 minutes. So just go ahead and set this aside. In the same pan, I'll heat up more vegetable oil on medium heat, then transfer the chopped plantains and allow to fry. So while the plantains fry, I want to use the opportunity to appreciate our amazing subscribers so far. I said thank you very much for subscribing. And just in case you're coming across this channel for the first time, I'm Joy by name, and in this channel I share recipes on how to make a healthy meal, juice and also smoothies. So please kindly click the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so you can be instantly notified whenever we upload new amazing recipes just like this. Be sure to like, share it with your friends and loved ones, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you very much guys. So while the plantain fry, try as much as possible to stir at interval till you achieve a golden color just like this. So I'll be removing mine using a slotted spoon, then placed in a plate lined with paper towel in order to absorb the excess oil. You can also choose to air fry your plantains if you don't want to fry them before you move ahead to the next step. So I'll go ahead and reduce the vegetable oil right now. So to make the stir fry plantain, I'll be sauteing little diced onion on medium heat alongside some ginger and garlic just for flavor building. I'll also be adding little yellow scotch bonnet pepper for heat, then mix everything together and allow to fry. So after 2 minutes of frying, I'll be adding the vegetables. I'm actually using some fresh peas and chopped carrots. So at this stage, I'll go ahead and season up everything. I'm actually using a little curry powder, thyme, seasoning powder and some salt to taste. You can choose to also use any other preferred spice of your choice. So just go ahead and stir fry everything for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes of frying, I'll be transferring our fried plantains, then mix everything together. Remember the eggs that I fried earlier on? I'll be adding it right now alongside with some green and red bell pepper for more nutrients and flavor. I'll also be adding a little more onion for more flavor, then mix everything together. So just cover up the pan just so the bell peppers go wilt a little bit. So this is after 2 extra minutes, and our stir-fried plantain is pretty much ready to be devoured, and it can be taken at any time of the day. Just in case you're actually salivating at this moment, just know it's actually time for you to recreate this recipe yourself. So let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying it out. Thank you very much guys for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share, and don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.